Trade Confident family? My name is Jake, and we just won an 8% trade win here in Internet Computer, called out just a couple of days ago. I'm going to show you when and why we entered this trade, how we managed our risk, and how you can do the same exact thing in your trades. Jumping right into it, this trade win brings us to 184 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. Real quick, there's a brand new future forecast video for our members to check out. Multiple Bitcoin data points say the bottom is in. Take this data seriously. The golden pocket window is closing fast. Do not sit on this data. Watch this as soon as possible. With that, we're going to head to the trade setups page, and I'm going to jump down to the trade win. The rest of the open trades are, of course, reserved for our members. Jumping down now, here we are at the ICP trade. This was called out April 30th with our 8% take profit hit today, May 3rd. Clicking here, you're going to see we entered when we saw a buy signal, price versus while money flow low, and a touch into the long trade zone here on the trades in favor indicators. This is the bullish trifecta that we use to enter our trades, and we combined it with our risk management built into the TC top and bottom finder. The way our risk management works here is we split our investment into 3 equal parts. The first part goes into a market order, so we have money in the market. The second part goes into buy limit 1, and the third part goes into buy limit 2. Once all buy orders are set up, we set our take profit, in this case 8% above our market order. And you can do all of that within the settings of the TC top and bottom finder. Now, the reason we do this is our management strategy relies on dollar cost averaging. If the price drops below buy limit 1, you have now doubled the amount of money you have in the market, and you've dropped your break even significantly, bringing you into profit faster as the market reverses. If the price drops below buy limit 2, you've now tripled your original investment and dropped your break even further down. All you have to do as a trader on a daily basis is check to see if a buy limit is hit, and if it has, drop your take profit to the same percentage above your current break even. It's literally as easy as that, and the combination of these entries combined with this risk management strategy was able to win us this trade just a couple of days later. Crazy moves up happened. We hit our take profit, easy money. Now, this is how we've won 183 wins, 0 losses in our trades. We're going to head back now to the live charts. Again, looking at Internet Computer, ICP here, trading against the US dollar on the 4-hour time frame, and we're trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. You can see here now that price versus while money flow is high. This means that whales have overbought and are likely to begin moving money back out of the market. Trades in favor touched into the short trade zone, and while we have dropped a little bit, we still have a 61% chance of a drop. We've not yet seen a sell signal, but I'm betting if the price continues moving down, we'll see a sell signal or even a strong sell signal, all 3 of which combine to see moves down. And if you want proof, price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, strong sell signals saw the drop. So this is what we're watching out for. And as the price drops, we want to look for the opposite when we're looking to buy back in. We want to see whale money has oversold, which means they're likely to buy back in. We want to see trades in favor in the long trade zone, and ideally we want to see a buy signal. And as you can see here, this is going to be a very bullish combination. Easy as that, and we'll keep you updated. Now, I want to let you know, this is not an official trade call at all. I'm not telling you when or if you should enter, and all official Trade Confident calls will be posted here on the trade setups page on the tradeconfident.io website. Beginner or expert, no matter where you're at in your trading journey, you can benefit from the entry strategy and the risk management strategy built into the TC top and bottom finder using our indicators here. You can access these indicators right now for up to $550 off, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. First, you're going to want to snag a membership because members get massive discounts on our indicators. On top of maximizing your discounts, members also get access to those future forecast videos I showed you earlier, access to live metrics on 40 coins on our website, access to all trade setups where we're now 184 wins, 0 losses, and live Zoom coaching every single month. Go ahead and click subscribe now. Follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, click the indicator link. You're going to be looking at the Pro Indicator Pack. Members, your first $150 off are at this link here. Click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership today for that future forecast episode. Don't miss out.